Every single session has been awful.
This is really dangerous.
You can hear it, like it's just like boop, 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 boop.
Something they're gonna take apart the engine. Oh my god! Tell me, how does it feel starting last for the first time ever in your life? No, this is haunted in here. We've made it. Finally. Hello!
This is a mess. It's so bad. So
What the hell?
Oh, the track's been so awful. Every single session has been awful.
Nos trataron de hacer pagar $20 per person
Okay.
to come in. Roxy's like, my brother's racing, we have stuff for him. And I'm like, your brother's racing? We have all the trophies, ma'am. If you don't let us in, nobody's getting a trophy.
Empezó bien las primeras 2 vueltas. Fueron las más rápidas, que eso no pasa normalmente. Y después, it was slower and slower. Cada vuelta. ¿Qué está feo?
She says she refuses to come up because it's too scary. I will say it's a little scary, especially looking down. Like, they just don't look very stable. They've left me all alone once again. I'm in the market for a new sister. This one is always leaving me by myself. Sube para acá conmigo que estoy sola.
Last call, Greg Senior, last call.
Oh, he came out. There's something wrong. Yeah. What's wrong?
It's just, the engine's turning off completely.
Really?
Yeah, like, completely. Como 2 segundos sin que haga nada. Sin tener power.
That's annoying.
No, es también la recta, saliendo la recta.
And you guys didn't even bring the other engine. Look at the tent, it moved. I told you it was gonna move. That thing is acting like a sail. Let me take the helmet and put it away because it's gonna get hot AF here.
Esto no makes sense. Ok, pero yo no soy mago, yo no puedo hacer nada. Tenemos secciones de probar cosas. ¿Pero para qué? ¿Para llegar al final?
¿Dónde te pongo esto?
And then this guy passes me from so far back, and I'm like, yeah, and I can hear it. Like, it's just like, poof, 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 poof. Like, it's like it
That's
has no
so
fuel.
weird because it sounds
It's just
good
turning
here.
off.
Like, it sounded really good when your dad
No,
turned
it's
it
not
on
the same
here.
when it's on the track and taking turns
I
and
guess.
stuff at high speeds.
Yeah, I guess. That's annoying. I feel bad for you. Aw. And I know your dad is so stressed out. We're trying the mango Summersby, which is new. We've never tried it.
Los motores fallan porque las cosas fallan.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Ya, no pasa
That's
nada.
even better than the apple. Whoa, that's amazing.
I know.
Mmm. I could chug this.
I know.
That's crazy.
Dangerous.
This is really dangerous. Lunchtime. I want some of these. What do you know about the pastica?
Ratio on this one's a little messed up.
Yeah, me too.
Much better. Not enough patica.
Para mí está perfecto.
Oh yeah.
Kiss ass. It's okay. He's too. Yeah, ni siquiera. He hasn't even had a bite.
No den opinión.
Oh my God.
I'm okay. I don't even know where he lives.
He said no.
He's like shaking his head.
Yeah. Look at. Oh, he came out. He came out. For anybody wondering, Haver's dad is right there, and they communicate through little hand signals.
He goes bad, bad.
Bad, bad. He goes bad, bad, good, good. What's the symbol that they do?
Hey, go, go, push, push.
And then they do like the fist for how close people are.
Oh yeah.
It's like bumper to bumper, 1 car, 2 cars, 3 car line.
Yeah, he does do that. Yeah.
I think they're gonna take apart the engine to put it back together, so Javier can test it to see if their theory of what's wrong with it is correct or not. If you take apart the engine, usually you get a really big penalty and you start last, but Javier's gonna start last anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And if they do this at home, Javier can't like test it out on the track, obviously, so it's best to do it here.
Sí, sí, es un desastre. Cuando se calienta se pone peor.
Javier, tell me, how does it feel starting last for the first time ever in your life? It'll be fun?
You might even get laughed.
What?
Oh my!
If it's not doing well, I'm gonna pull in. Are you kidding me? I'm not. Do you know how unfun it is to drive it when it's half turning off?
¿Eh? ¿Qué cosa? ¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Qué tú quieres?
Son otra gente. Yeah. He's okay.
Christian are pushing.
It's fine. Just practicing. Más o menos dice. He left. Oh hey!
Vasil.
Oh my god, oh my goodness! I love the fire smell, it's so good! Yeah, his little back mohawk is cute. Why are these so floofy? Hello! Dice Maxi que los lavaron hoy.
Of course. I don't know. It
Sí,
doesn't
eso
open.
jamás. Se abrió la pollera y una
The
goma.
chicken coop has never
They
opened
will
up.
never open. Of course. Yo te digo.
Le habrá dado duro a Timón,
Estoy seguro.
Se le abrió el chicken coop allá arriba y se le cayó un tire. Without you, wrong.
You told me once that I have never gone there. I want to go there.
I've been
You
here.
lied to me.
I've been here. Never said that. Oh, it's scary in here. This is scary. No, this is haunted in here. Bro, it's haunted in here. Oh no. Oh no. This is haunted. Look at what we got coming in.
Hey, don't show my license plate.
I didn't. I covered it with my arm like this.
Good. Internet safety.
I taught you internet safety the other day. I'm leaving the vlog here. I will see you guys tomorrow.